Do I look like a little kid at the big boy table? Hi! Today we are going to be unboxing the Neewer CM14. So back in July, I pre-ordered the Deity D4 Duo, and I was super excited for that mic to come out, and it was supposed to be shipping in the beginning of August, and didn't. I emailed them, and then they got back to me and said it's going to be shipping on the 18th. So on the 18th, I was really hoping that I would be getting some sort of shipping confirmation. I got nothing. Then when I reached out, well, guess what? It's still back ordered. And I don't think I'm going to be getting one until sometime in October. And right now, it's the very beginning of September. That's a long time to wait. So what I ended up doing is I actually found the Neewer CM14, considering that the Deity D4 Duo is around $99. I think I got it for $89, but this over here, it retails for $32.99, and I found a deal that gave me a coupon code where I can get this for $22.78, including taxes. I want to give this a try, see if I like it, and then whenever the D4 Duo actually arrives, I will compare the two and see which one's better. Is the Deity D4 Duo better, or does the Neewer one work just as well for about a fourth of the price? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Right now, we are looking once again at the Neewer CM14. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now this also nicely came with one of the iPhone cables, so you can actually hook up one of the later iPhones with a lightning jack, and it comes with one of these guys over here, which is really nice because, to be honest, I think I lost mine right here. So it's kind of nice that we got one of these things right here included, because otherwise I'd probably have to spend, I don't know, like $8 or $10 on one of those, and that's almost half the cost that I spent on the mic. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Let's see, we got some instructions over here. It's pretty good. Gonna keep that around. Oh, probably not. Got some instructions over here for how to connect to an iPhone, and two DSLRs and things like that. Sounds kind of good. Oh, what's this? Oh, you know what this is? This is a dead cat. I think that's the funniest name, by the way. Dead cat. Who actually wants to put a dead cat on their microphone? Ooh, wow, it's super fuzzy. Look at that. Alright. It's not bad. Really fuzzy. This should probably block out a decent amount of noise from wind if you're in a super noisy environment. I'm really curious to see how well that works. Got a bunch of cables over here to connect it to various things. I like that they actually included not only a straight side, but they also have an angled side over here. So I assume the angled side over here actually probably goes into the microphone, considering that this has only three spots over here. So what is it? The TRRS or something? I don't know. Anyway, this side over here has 4, so this is probably the side that normally goes into smartphones and things like that. So we got that. Okay, so we got the shock mount. Shock mount is included. Has a little cold shoe. The feels pretty sturdy actually. It seems to have a metal connector to connecting to tripods and light stands and things like that. But it has a nice cold shoe adapter that can snug down. But it seems to be pretty good. I don't know if this is like if the shock mount is flexible enough to actually prevent shocks translating into the microphone, but we'll see what happens when we actually try this out. And here we have another one. This one over here is it has 3 parts over here. I need to look up exactly what they call that, but they have 3 sides on both sides. So normally with the four pieces over here, it normally indicates, like, I think one's like neutral, right, left, and then the microphone or something like that. Whereas this only has, I think, neutral, right, and left. So it's interesting that this one with the right angle actually has one with a 4, one with a 3, and over here this one only has a 3, and this also only has a 3. This one also has a nice tension relief over here, so that's pretty nice. And this one over here does not. I don't know why they didn't include the tension relief for both of them. Possibly for weight? I don't know, because like this does add like a lot of extra bulk to the cable because it's a lot of extra length that they put inside there. But I don't know, maybe it's just for options. All right, so, do not eat this. I can save that for a snack for later. All right, and got a small little windscreen over here, a little bit more subdued. If you're not in the in the desert during a windstorm or something like that, or trying to shoot something during a hurricane. All right, and here's the actual microphone. There we go. Nothing else less than the box, so over to the box. And that's just trash, so. All right, here we go. The CM14. All right, make sure that's to the above camera too. So this thing actually, it feels pretty solid. It's metal, and like it feels actually pretty solid, which is surprising for spending $22 on this thing. And I don't know, I guess we're gonna see what happens when we actually try it out, but it actually feels pretty solid. On the screws here, I don't know what this is. Why does this unscrew? Am I gonna break this in the first 2 minutes after owning it? Oh, oop, yep, there's wires and stuff like that inside there. Do not unscrew that. Alright, get to know that. Don't unscrew it. Alright, well that's it. Here it is. Everything that you get with the CM14, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be doing some testing with this and see how well it actually works, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are. Take care.